Give the heading fatal error. Fatal error. It stops the execution of program from line where the error occurred. If we try to call undefined function, then fatal error occurs. Example: less than question mark php and question mark greater than. Here I am declaring a function called function space function name. See, in a JavaScript you know how to create functions. In the same way, PHP also, a function can be declared by taking the help of a keyword called function space function name. And in the function name, I am printing a simple message called hello, echo hello, how are you? A simple message I am printing here in the function. Now I want to execute this function. To execute this function, we need to call this function. So what is the function name? F1 is the function name. See, I am calling here F1 as well as I am calling here F2 also. Actually, F2 function is not defined. If you try to call a function which is not already defined, then we will get the error. Which error? Fatal error. Okay, let me copy this and paste it in our programming part. Control A, Control V, Control S, and go to the browser part and hit refresh. See, hello, how are you printed successfully because F1 function is already available, but the function F2 we are not defined, but we are accessing that function. That's why we are getting which error? Fatal error. The last type of error is parse error. So, parse error. This error stops the execution of complete scripts. It stops the execution of complete scripts. It stops the execution of complete scripts if we have any syntactical mistakes. See, in PHP, every line should end with what? Semicolon. If you forgot to place semicolon at the end, then which error it is going to display is parser error. Not only syntax or spelling mistakes or whatever the syntax we are writing, if syntax wrong, if you write, then we will get an error called which error? Parse error. If we get which mistakes? Syntax mistakes. The example is open the PHP script and use here echo hello. See, here I am forgetting to place a semicolon at the last, and again echo world. Here I place a semicolon. At last I try to forget what? Semicolon after the echo statement. And now execute this. Go to the browser part and click on enter. See, which error we are getting? Parser error. It is clearly showing that we should require what? Semicolon. We should require semicolon at the end. So this type of errors we will get whenever we done